I'm gonna make so many Italians like pissed off today, yeah. Today, I'm making a dish that truly hits home for me and is my greatest guilty pleasure, Filipino-style sweet spaghetti. I've been eating this dish since I was a kid. During secondary school, Dixon would come over to my house and we would eat this sweet spaghetti. That's why we were both such round kids. It's like pineapples on pizza. So good. And that is all because of one person who has been taking care of me since I was a kid, and that is Pearly. So I'm gonna surprise her later. I've asked her to come later when we are done cooking and let her taste my version of this sweet, indulgent Filipino spaghetti. Okay, let's go! Hot dogs! Don't bother using like atas sausages or anything, it doesn't work. It has to be chicken franks. So I'm using minced beef straight out of the freezer because I believe that it doesn't need to have that extra step of defrosting. Now I'm putting the frozen beef inside the hot oil. It's like deep frying stuff. You're not gonna get that pop, 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 pop. And then you'll slowly cook off the moisture. Okay, boom.
How would you describe it?
It's umami tomato sauce. That's the nice way to put it. I'm not selling it very well. So basically banana ketchup, which ketchup is already sweet, but you get less of that tartness. So it's more banana-y and sugary in the Philippines during some point of time. There wasn't much tomatoes available. Or whoever came, like they wanted to use a lot of ketchup, but they didn't have tomato ketchup. And they had an excess of bananas in Philippines. So basically they took bananas and they made it into ketchup. Isn't that awesome? No. You don't eat later. This is a contraband ingredient. I'm adding it because I believe it's a bit too sweet. So I want to balance it out with a bit of spice. So I'm just adding a bit of chili powder. So the great thing about Filipino-style spaghetti is that it's so easy to serve. Slap the sauce over the spaghetti. Do not emulsify it. I repeat, do not emulsify the sauce with the spaghetti. It's not the right way to do it. Put the cheese on the sauce, melt it with a blowtorch, and you're done. Don't garnish with any greens. And for the cheese, use quick melting processed cheese. Whatever it is, mozzarella, parmesan, whatever. But don't use the grating one. It has to be quick melt. I feel like a boy. I feel like a boy.
A few moments later.
Oh,
Hi.
Pearly.
Hello.
This is our office.
Oh, very nice. Very nice office. John, what I know is only Dixon. Oh, you.
When me and Dixon secondary school, we always come home and then you cook spaghetti. Then we eat a lot. That's why we're so fat.
So fat. Dixon, come and eat.
Sounds familiar, huh?
Wow, the Meatmen office, very nice, huh? First time I come here, yes. First time.
Huh?
Yes.
Have you tried John's cooking before?
Yes, in the house.
He got cook for you at home?
Yeah.
He cook for you or he cook for himself, then he give you eat a bit?
He cooked for her girlfriend.
Ah, why you never cook for me?
I cook for everyone.
Ready?
Yummy.
Really yummy or not?
Yes.
Your one nicer or my one nicer?
Your one is nicer.
Really?
Yes.
What do you think is the difference?
This one is a bit sweet.
Maybe because got beef lah.
Yeah.
Yeah, when cook last time don't have beef.
Then Dixon eat a lot. Joking.
Like
Joking.
we just come back from school.
Yeah lah.
Yeah.
I always eat a lot lah.
If you like this video, you must
Like,
share, and
Yeah.
baby's very cute.
Now not cute.
Handsome.
that's where I get my confidence from.
Last time when he young, very cute. Our neighbor, wow, so cute.